Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will talk about the hyperlink. Hyperlink is an element in HTML that is navigating to the route that you are defining for that. To make it simple, the hyperlink element gives you the functionality to switch between pages in your web page or to have external links in your web page. So let's start the coding. In HTML, the element for hyperlink is A, which stands for anchor tag. So you open a tag and you write A simply and then you close it. So if I write here click me and you see in the browser, you see it is written click me, but now it is not doing anything because this element should have an attribute. You write the attribute inside this tag. After that you write an attribute, for example href. What is href? It stands for hyper reference, so it means that you give reference here. It means that this attribute modifies the behavior of this element, what this element should do, so it is giving them behavior. So we have this google.com. If we copy that and come here, paste it in our href, so it has now this link that is, let's remove this one because they are not needed. So let's refresh it and click here. It is taking us to Google page because we have modified the behavior of this element, that this element should take us to this URL, which is Google. The next attribute that is somehow important for the anchor tag is title. So if you just write title and you enter, if it did not work, so you write it manually. You write title and then you click the equal mark, and for the title you write goes to Google. If you refresh and if you come here, when you hover, you see that it is written go to Google. So it is also an attribute that is giving somehow an instruction for the user that what this element or what this button is doing. Let's create another one. So in the previous project we made a lyric that I have modified it like this, so it was a part of your exercise as well. So I will write a BR. I want to go to the next line. Then if I write A, it gives me the opening closing tag and the href attribute, because A is always with the href attribute. It should have behavior. So if I write here my song, you see it now it has an attribute, but it is not taking me to anywhere because I did not modify the URL, the href. So if I write here, now we are navigating among pages, which is will mean building pages. So lyrics.html. If I refresh here, now if I click my song, it is taking me to my previous project, so which is this file. If you have multiple files, so you can navigate them between your pages by an href link. Then let's go to this lyrics, and after this h3 I want to have another anchor tag, and I write here original video. I mean when somebody clicks here to original video, the user should be taken to the maybe YouTube or to the original video. So if we come here, I have found this song here. I copy this URL. So this is the URL that the user should be taken. If I come here and I paste it here in the href, I refresh it. When I click here, so when I click that button, it take me to the original song. Here's the original song. So by the way, let's come back, and it was all about the anchor tag. I hope you understand it. It's very important. You should have always the href that you give the URL of the link that you want the user to be taken. Then the next one is title. So somehow that's important because it is somehow a kind of instruction for the user what the element is doing. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.